2, 3. Yes, sir, we are back at it again. It's me, Eric B. Welcome back to the channel. And today I am on the Ducati 848 Evo. You guys have seen it in some of my previous videos. Got Sam on the S1000. Oh, he's gonna leave me hanging? He's gonna leave me hanging? So, we got the Gixxer 600, yep. And we got the ZX6R. I've also done a first ride video on this one. What's up? But yeah, we out here today, so we're gonna go on a little ride. It's been a while since I been out. I just got back from the States, had my RC8, and now I'm bikeless again. I'm back with the Brixton, but it's cool that I know people and they let me borrow bikes. So here we go. Oh, you got it on, nice. Heck yeah. He got the header put on here. You said it's a Krapovich?
Yeah, Krapovich.
Nice. Yeah, it looks good. How's it perform now?
It's amazing. Like, yeah, it's louder, but it feels like I kind of had to relearn how to ride the bike because it's almost 20 pounds off.
Yeah. So all the you weighed it? Huh? You weighed the header?
Yeah, no, so 23. So this is 9. The one we took off was 23 pounds.
Jeez.
So huge weight difference.
And you got the Bryn tune on it as well?
And brackets and all the other things that you don't need on anymore because you don't have a cat. His weight loss. You
got the Bryn tune on it as well? Nice.
Yeah, stage 1.
Hey, how you doing?
Dave.
Eric.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. The SC Project. Yeah, I bet you that bike runs a whole lot better now that it has the full exhaust on it. It's been a while since I've seen a Gixxer 600. This one's actually pretty nice. What exhaust is that? I don't know. Hope he knows there's a stoplight over there. One, two, three. Now, I know there is no way that that he should have been behind me. So, I don't know, I couldn't really see anything. Hopefully the Insta360 picked it all up. And see what happened. Yeah, man, I gotta get me a Ducati. I don't know, these things, they look beautiful, they freaking sound amazing, they ride nice. I don't know. Even if I don't get a V2, I wouldn't mind having an 899. A V4 would be nice, but man, I ain't got V4 money. Now, I get a base V4, but I don't want a base V4. I want like a V4R. If I'm gonna get a V4, I'm gonna go all out and get a V4R. Oh man, I will say going from the 950S, the Super Sport, that I did a first ride on, man, you can definitely tell the riding position is a lot more aggressive on this bike than it is on that one. I'm way more lean forward. And the place we're going to, Rolling Tribe, that we've gone to in some previous videos, you know, it's almost an hour ride up there. And that bike, the Super Sport 950 would be perfect for that, you know, just cruising on up there. You know, you can still get on it, have some fun with it and stuff like that, but you're still comfortable. Which on most sport bikes, I'm still pretty comfortable. You know what I'm saying? If you have more, I guess, ab strength, then it's not so bad because you're not leaning on your arms and your wrists so much. But come on, we don't buy sport bikes to be comfortable or fuel efficient. We buy them because they look cool and they go fast. There we go. A little bit of wheelie action. So what is everyone's preferences on tire brands? Because I like the Pirellis, you know, the Rosas, or Rosos. Oh my gosh, Rosas, really? Oh, look at these guys. Heck yeah. But I've really been taking a look at the Michelin Powers, man. Those things are pretty nice. I have Dunlop Q3s on the RC8 right now, and I just don't know what I want to go to when it's time to swap out. What happened?
The front end came up, and there was like, it was, you know, asphalt, and then there was like a tar patch.
That you
That was like going a little up.
Yeah.
So my front
Hey.
end came up, and I was like, okay.
I know what you mean. When that front end started, it did it on Chris's bike. When I get it, it's like, whoa.
I'm gonna have to like lean like way up here.
Oh yeah. It's scary.
I'm scared. It's just so hard to put my...
Man, this is the only part, once we get closer to this place, that it sucks just because all the traffic and everything. And then we're always going like 18,000 different ways, but once we get there, then it's all good. It's just a pain in the butt every time. Sam! Did a wheelie coming up there. Oh, okay. Let's see where we want to park these bad boys. So we can just go right here. Might be a good spot. Alright, so we made it to Tribe. Like I said before, we always end up taking some crazy route in order to get here. It's never the same thing, but our normal spot. So let's go check out some of the bikes that are here. But yeah, just another vlog, just out here having a good time, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you're liking what you're seeing, definitely give me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.